How do you transfer your tokens from Wazirx to Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet? Before starting, make sure that your Cypherock X1 Vault is connected to your laptop. Step 1. Generate receiver address on the CySync app. We will be transferring USDT from a wallet on Wazirx. Now, on the CySync app, click on Add Token. From the list, select Tether and then select Receive. On the X1 device using the joystick, select the checkmark option. Enter the PIN if you have setup 1. Fetch and tap any one of the 4 X1 cards onto the X1 device. Match the address shown on the CySync app with the one shown on the X1 device. Select the checkmark option. The receiver address has been generated. Click on Copy, and now we will go to Wazirx to execute the transfer. Step 2. Executing the transaction on the Wazirx website. Click on Funds option in the top left. You will see the amount you have here in your wallet. From the Assets select Withdraw on the USDT. Paste the wallet address you copied from the CySync app here. Enter the amount you want to transfer. This is the estimated amount of transaction fees which you need to pay. Review everything and then select Proceed with Withdrawal. Then select Confirm Withdrawal. You will need to enter the code from the Authenticator app on which you had set up during the creation of the wallet in Wazirx. Enter the code and select Authenticate. Wazirx will send you an approval email to your registered email account. Open that email and click on Approve this withdrawal. As you can see, the withdrawal verification was successfully completed. Now let's check the transaction status on the Explorer. The transaction was successful. We will now check the CySync app to see whether we have received the tokens or not. As you can see, the tokens are here.